Welcome to Ubersmith's OnApp billing plugin tutorial. Ubersmith integrates with OnApp to capture usage and bill for VM, vCloud, and CDN resources, available in OnApp versions 5 and up. This tutorial details how to set up the OnApp billing plugin for the first time. If you are already using the OnApp service module, or want to see a complete step-by-step guide, see Ubersmith docs. Once your client's OnApp service renews, usage stats and the total amount due for the previous period are calculated. The first step is to enable the OnApp billing plugin. Once the OnApp billing plugin is enabled, configure it with your OnApp access information. Now that the plugin configuration is complete, the next step is to set up your service plan. For this tutorial, we will use an existing OnApp service plan and adjust the configuration. Your OnApp service plan holds the default configuration for all your OnApp services. Enabling the post-renew option bills in arrears and invoices clients at the end of each renewal period. The Usage Plan section and its related resource ties the OnApp billing plugin's data source to the service plan. After the service plan has been set up, the final step is to add OnApp services to your client accounts. For this tutorial, we will use an existing service already associated with your OnApp service plan. Once you access the Service Details page, you will see a warning indicating that the OnApp billing method needs to be configured. The OnApp billing page is where the actual OnApp service is assigned to your client. After the service configuration is complete, Ubersmith automatically calculates OnApp usage. Once the OnApp configuration is complete, Ubersmith will bill your client for their usage after their next service renewal.